Hey folks, I found an iMac G3 in the dumpster. Let's have a look and see what exactly this thing is, if I can get it to focus. Alright, iMac DV, 400 megahertz, 64 meg RAM, 10 gig hard drive. I was assembled in the USA. So it came with nothing. No keyboard, no mouse, no power cord. I brought it home. I found a Dell mouse, as you can see here, a Dell keyboard, and plugged it in. They're both USB. Let's get this guy up and let's turn it on and see where it goes. Power button's there. And it boots up, at least at first sight. There we are. Now you're gonna get some flickering on the screen. I apologize for that because of the refresh rate. I'm not sure if there's anything I can do about that. It's just the way it is. But here's the screen. The mouse works no problem. It's got a very bright green background by default because it's a green iMac. So you've got the whoever had this computer before didn't change it, and I think it defaulted to green. So it's loading up, taking its time. You can see a bunch of stuff at the bottom there. I'll see if I can zoom in. Not sure what that is exactly, but there we are. I'm not sure what that is. What is it, some kind of Christmas theme maybe? The clock on this thing is completely out. It thinks it's 7 a.m. I'm pretty sure that's because the battery on this is gone. So it says network time error. You can see here, I'm going to zoom in. It's not liking any of that. Okay, so it came with a bunch of software already. I noticed a bunch of things on the screen. Let's have a look here and see what's more about this computer. Mac OS 9.2, built-in memory 576 meg. So I guess, is that 640? Is it? I'm not sure. It's at 64 meg on the underside of this thing, so maybe it's upgraded. And then as far as the drive goes, if I open it up, it's 7.5 gig available. I have no idea how to figure out how much memory is in this thing. I don't really know. Doesn't say anything. View options, no, that's not it. Prefs, no. Anyway, let's have a look at some of the programs in here. There was some weird 3D program in here. Let's see. Where was it? iMac games. There are a few games in here. Tic-tac-toe, solitaire, Ultras, Pac-Man, Make Alien Invaders. I'm not even sure what this is. No, this one can't even open. So, there's a bunch of broken stuff on here, which I need to figure out. But there was some 3D game on this computer, which I believe I saw here. Was it under Nanosaur? Maybe this was it, yes. I remember opening this up way back when. So 1998, 99, this is sort of the era we're looking at here. It's over 20 years old now. And this was state-of-the-art game at the time. It's loading. Here we go. So this is quite nice 3D graphics there. There's the game. Nanosaur. So let's play this. I guess that's how to play. Okay, so you're this dinosaur and you're racing around here, I guess shooting things. We'll zoom in. And you pick up stuff. And once in a while, oh there it is, you have to shoot this thing. And they blow up. So this was, and I think you can jump by pressing one of the buttons here, although I'm not sure which. Oh, there's another dinosaur. There, and it blew up. Alright, let's exit out of this thing. Quit. That's the end of the game. Screen is not bad. Again, there's no flicker in real life. It's just because of the refresh rate. Okay, let's get out of there. And this is just a their intro. Let it play through. Zero. Okay, doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Let's get out of this thing. How do I get escape? Oh, here we go. Okay, let's go to exit. Okay, and we're back. Okay, what else is on here? There's some kind of meme. Old games. Okay, obviously these are not, you know, be sure to make sure that you abide by all legalities regarding MAME in your jurisdiction, of course. And that's what the warning is about. Okay, let's see here. So we've got our classics. Let's go to Pac-Man, because that's obviously one of the main ones. Where is Pac-Man anyway? Here? Pac-Man is actually under Puck-Man. Here we go. Okay, it's loading. Okay, select. Let's see what we have. Yeah, so there we have it. So we're playing Pac-Man on the iMac. Let's get out of this thing. I paused it. You can see here the menu. Does it say anything about MAME? Mac MAME. So this is an old port, an unofficial port. All right, let's quit this thing, or actually close. See what else we have. Of course, there's the Venerable Galaga from years ago. Although where exactly is it? I thought I saw something here. Here, Namco. And it's, oh, doesn't work. I guess there's Galaga 88. That might work. Okay. And again, we'll see if this works. Oh, you can pick between the two kinds of thing. Actually, I don't remember this one. It's a little bit different. This is a modification, and it's kind of slow too. Okay, let's get out of that one. I don't like it. Let's try Midway. No. Try this one. No. There was another version here. But anyway, as you can see, there's lots of stuff. There are a few really old games, some new ones. We can group by folder. And there was a by year, so you can go back to really old stuff. There was a Star Wars game here, I remember, and Asteroids. That was old. Let's see how this looks. These are vector type games. Yeah. So these are the vector games. Remember this thing. Oh, I'm dead. Try again. Thrust. So this is a vector type game. There's a number of vector games also in MAME. All right. So you can use this old Mac to play MAME games. It kind of gives a nice simulation because it has a curved CRT, and the CRT is you know, gives that sort of look to it. Let's go back to names here by folder and see what's going on here. There was Star Wars, maybe? Star Wars, here we go. This is another vector game. Okay. We'll go through this one. Okay, here we go. Oh, and you can use the mouse for this one. So let's do this here. I'm using the mouse to control it. And here we go. We'll do easy. No? There we go. Now I still have to use, I have to use the control key to blow things up, but I can use the mouse to steer. I got it. Okay. Uh-oh. You have to shoot those guys. Oh, they ran off. Okay, now we're heading to the Death Star. Okay, I gotta shoot all these guys. And then at the end, you have to get the thing at the bottom. Okay. This is tough. Okay, I guess we're getting close here. Okay, here we go. Oh no, I missed it. I'm gonna try again. Okay, here we go. No, not there yet. Still can't get it. Alright. Maybe I'll get it this time. Okay. Okay, here we go. Getting close. I got it. Okay, so you can see it gets a little jittery there. It doesn't refresh exactly at a high enough rate, but you get the idea. So that's MAME. on this thing. Let's zoom out again here. There's a few other things here. I found AppleWorks right here. There's a spreadsheet. Now I was able to do a bunch of stuff here. You can draw. You can save it. See? So it still has some utility, but all in all, you know, I'm working on getting some software for this thing. There's some old repos available, and there are ways to get old software and try it out. But I just wanted to give you a quick run through on a dumpster dive find. The iMac G3, about 20-year-old vintage computer now, still works a treat even with any modern USB keyboard and mouse. You don't need the original, and it's definitely an interesting looking computer. Clear case, extremely heavy, loud. It has I didn't mention, but it has the USB lets you connect in a USB flash drive so you can copy stuff on and off the machine. But there is a port here at the bottom. As you can see, the slot that gives you DVD reading as well as CD. So it's both DVD and CD combo driver. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see if I can do a few more down the road. Until next time, please give a comment, rate it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.